How to add shortcut app icons to your home screen in Windows 11. Let's start with the system apps. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Personalize. From there, click on Themes and scroll down until you see Desktop Icon Settings. This allows you to add icons like Computer to your desktop or Recycle Bin if you maybe deleted it. Just check the box for the app you want the shortcut for and hit OK. You will see the icon appear on your desktop. And now for the other apps and games, click on the Start menu at the bottom, then in the right top corner click on All Apps. You can now drag and drop any app you want directly onto your desktop for easy and fast access. In my case, I accidentally deleted the shortcut for the game The Hunt Call of the Wild, which is installed through Epic Games, and I can't find it in this list. If you have the same problem, just open your Epic Games launcher, go to Library and find the game you want to add the shortcut for. Click at the three dots, then click on Manage, and once you are here, all you need to do is pressing the button Create. For Steam games, it's the same process to browse through the games library, right-clicking on the game, then on Manage and create a desktop icon as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.